Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore baselines in Smartsheet, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore baselines in Smartsheet, begin by logging into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the project sheet where the baseline needs to be restored. Locate the project tab on the top navigation bar. Click on the project tab to access project management options. Select Restore Baseline from the drop-down menu. A dialog box will appear, displaying available baseline options. Choose the baseline you wish to restore from the list provided. After selecting a baseline, review the details to ensure it's the correct one. Click on the Restore button to begin the restoration process. Once you initiate the restore, a confirmation message will appear. Confirm that you want to proceed with the restoration. Wait for the restoration process to complete. After completion, the baseline will be updated in your project sheet. To verify the restoration, navigate back to your project sheet view. Check the baseline values to ensure they reflect your selected baseline correctly. If needed, repeat the process for additional baselines. That concludes how to restore baselines in Smartsheet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.